I'm talking about Reliance Industries. And it's given up quite a bit of ground over the last month or so in particular. And there are quite a few rumors that are circulating as to why this is being caused. But let's talk about fact. And let's talk about whether or not it should be bought at this current juncture. Because, Rajesh, if you look at the year-to-date chart, it is now currently just about negative. So would you say that it's now a good time to consider buying?
So for near-term, short-term perspective, stock structure is on the weaker side. We may see furthermore, weakness in the near-term to short-term structure, but on the longer-term time frame, yes, it's a opportunity again to buy and accumulate in this decline. For trading point of view, I think 1250 would be the next target for the stock on the downside. Though stock is now approaching towards its critical support area, which is placed at around 1290. Almost stock is trading around those levels. So I think if it slips below to 1290, next target would be around 1250. But for long-term investor, yes, one can buy these dips for long-term investment perspective. On the downside, 1220 would be your stop loss for long-term. And on the higher side, the first resistance on the higher side, the major resistance is placed at around 1340, 1360 level. So that level needs to cross. Once the stock crosses those levels, then we may see some short covering action and some comfort buying may emerge in this counter, and then possible stock can start recovering from those level towards 1400 to 1450 kind of level. But it may take time as the stock near-term structure has already turned bearish.
Right. Well, the next question is from Vinod Kumar from Kanchipuram. He wants to invest in Dixon Technology. Now, what he said is that he's already invested in a few shares of Dixon Tech, but he wants to understand whether he should add more or not. Rajesh, I'll stick to you for this one. How does Dixon Tech look to you on the charts?
So overall long-term structure is bullish, and yes, we have seen some profit taking in recent past from the higher level. But stock is now trading near to its 50-day moving average, which is almost close to 13,900 kind of level. So I think if it's not breaks below to 13,900, I think we may add the position as the stock has already corrected from its recent high of 15,000, 15,100 kind of level. So I think after a significant correction, it's an opportunity again for trading point of view as well as for the short-term investment perspective also. So 13,600 would be your stop loss. Yes, we may add the position. On the higher side, 15,000 to 15,500 would be the next target once the stock start recovering from the current level.